Hey guys, in this video I will help you validate your niches whether they have the potential of driving non-Google traffic too. Although in most of the niches, driving non-Google traffic is quite hard, but still it's nice to have a niche wherein you can also drive non-Google traffic from social media and other sites. So some of the major sites that drive a lot of referral traffic for you would be, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest in some niches, and you have Quora. So you need to just enter in any of the existing sites in your niche and see what are all their traffic sources. So in order to see what are all their traffic sources, we will be heading over to SimilarWeb. Okay, so let me open SimilarWeb and also SEMrush. So here I will open this platform here. All right. So here I need to enter in the domain name. So let me consider this site, Optics Mac. Okay. After searching this, you need to head over to Traffic Analytics. Alright, so inside Traffic Analytics, you can see how many visits that this site has gotten month over month, and also bounce rate, and all these things are available. And also you can see the traffic share and also traffic sources by type. You can see 1.89% of their traffic is referral and 38% is direct. That's good because in optic space, binoculars, monocular space, there is a lack of content and people are again visiting this site with previous visit cookie in their browser. So that's pretty good. And yeah, you can search for some of the sites that in the niches that interest you here. So you can also type the same in SimilarWeb, because these tools just give you the estimate, right? Those would not be the 100% accurate reports here. So in that case, you need to make use of both SEMrush and SimilarWeb. Okay, so here once you enter, you can see from what country are they receiving the traffic. Okay, 66% are from US. That's good, especially for ad revenue. And top traffic sources, it's telling 14% of the traffic is direct, and SEMrush is telling 38% of traffic is direct, right? So we can keep the ballpark as like 25% because people are again visiting that site because there is a lack of sites when it comes to binoculars and all. So like this, you need to consider entering much more optic related sites by making use of competing domain section feature of Ahrefs, and just to get an idea about what would be the probability of you getting referral traffic from other sources other than Google. So just to give you an example, on my site that is BloggingX, from the last 30 days, 8% of my traffic is direct and 3.55% of the traffic is from referral. Also 1.09% from social. Referral, social, those are none and the same. So other than this, for some niches, Pinterest also drives a lot of traffic. Pinterest is an image sharing site. Pinterest traffic, there are a lot of case studies around this. You can give them a read. Right, how I got 449% increase in organic traffic due to Pinterest. Okay, can you get good traffic from Pinterest to your blog? So there are some case studies that you can go through to know whether in your niche Pinterest traffic is possible. So as per my experience and research, some niches like home decor or art, travel, photography, DIY and crafts related stuff, design. So these are all some of the niches that are highly visual, and you will get a lot of traffic from Pinterest too in these niches. If your niches that you have shortlisted fall under any of these categories that I mentioned, then you can consider Pinterest as your traffic generation strategy. And again, if you are into affiliate marketing, Pinterest may not drive you conversions, but still if you're running ads, then Pinterest can drive tons of traffic to your website, in turn increasing your ad revenue. So based on the analysis of a couple of sites in each of the niches that you have shortlisted, you need to determine whether there is a high probability of getting non-Google traffic or whether it's medium or low. So even if most of the niches that you have researched here are not getting non-Google traffic, it doesn't mean that there's no possibility for you to get non-Google organic traffic. It's possible. The mistake may be of the existing site owners. They may not be promoting their site on social media, Pinterest, or they may not be growing their subscriber base by growing their email list, chatbot subscribers, Telegram subscribers. There are a lot of options for you here, guys. So as you're building an authority website, it will be possible for you to build even non-Google traffic. But it's nice to have data about what non-Google traffic or the other sites are getting in the niches that you have shortlisted.